Welcome to Tree Facts with me. Did you know that the shagbark hickory gets its name, colloquially, for the type of bark that grows on it, even when young? It's quite loose and shaggy, gives it kind of a cool ancient man look. But secretly, all of these crevices are extremely important to the insects that live in its bark. So keep planting them. They're amazing ecosystems and within themselves, providing shade, shelter, and food for wildlife all around it. It's nuts, by the way. Super delicious. One of the best.